Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Matt Pocock just released some of the important skills in his GitHub repository for free, and these skills are required for making the project better when you are working with the AI coding agent, let's say Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, or any other kind of AI agent that are exist. And these skills are very important because without this skill, if you mention anything to the AI coding agent, let's say build X, and then what will happen that it will build the feature, and later you will see that your architecture, your code base architecture gets messy, and there are some edge cases that got missed, and later you will find that debugging gets painful. So to solve that issues, skills are very important, and inside his GitHub repository here you will find that this is the skills directory, and inside the skills directory here you see that many kind of skills are mentioned like engineering, MISC, miscellaneous, and personal and productivity. And inside this productivity, you will find this caveman, grill me, write a skill. Write a skill is basically for creating the new skill, and grill me is actually my favorite, one of the favorite skill. So in this video also, I will show you how to use it. And caveman I have already discussed inside my channel previously. So if you go to this caveman and search it, you will find that video caveman. So it will help you to reduce the token usage and also the cost. Whatever the model you are using, let's say Opus, Sonnet, it will help you to reduce the cost. And grill me is very important. Let's say you want to test the assumption, then you can use the grill me. So it will actually ask you some of the different edge case based question, and you can also evaluate that all of the assumptions that you are making that is correct, or if you have missed any edge cases earlier or not. And after that, here you see that this is the engineering based skills. Inside that, grill with docs and improve code base architecture. So using this improve code base architecture skill, you can improve the module wise design and also the full architecture, like inside source, uh, which components you need to place and where you need to define the environment variables, that kind of architecture. And also this setup mattpocock skill. So this is another comment. TDD is basically for the test driven development. So whenever we are building any feature, we need to keep in our mind the test cases, right? Let's say you are building a login screen, so you need to build the test cases for the login validator. Then what will happen that it will build the feature in such a way so that any kind of edge cases, let's say user is giving any kind of input, so that will be also handled in proper way. And also here you see two PRD document is very important, product requirement. And without product requirement you cannot build a best project with the AI agent. That also I have discussed previously. So these are kind of skills he has mentioned. And within this miscellaneous, here you see that git guardrails or cloud code, and also setup pre-commit. Setup pre-commit means suppose you are committing your code to the GitHub, and before that you want to set up some kind of instruction, let's say the prettier, the linter, all of that rules. Okay. And inside this personal, here you see that this edit article and Obsidian Vault. Obsidian Vault is basically the Andres Carpethy, that concept I previously also discussed. That kind of things are involved. Okay, now let's see that how to use it inside your existing code base. And for that, what I will do that I will go to this my existing project. So I will go to this Opus 4.7. This is the project that I made, a normal HTML file when I tested the Opus 4.7. So inside this, I will open the Claude code, and you can add this skill inside any of the AI coding agent. But I generally prefer the Claude code because with the help of Jan, it is now very easy to map any model to Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku. Also, previously I made the video many times. Like yesterday, I made two video. One is this owl alpha, this is the new stealth model, and this laguna xs.2. Inside these two video I have shown you in detail that how you can use this jan with the cloud code. So here you see that I have mapped this laguna xs.2 model to this haiku, save and enable. And now I'm opening this, and claude and press enter. Now I will show you how to add these skills, and for that go to this GitHub repository, and there you have to scroll down below. Okay, and here you see run the skills.sh installer. So copy this command, and let's first check that which model I am using. Slash model. So pool site Laguna access point to free. Press enter, and after that add the skill npx skills and latest add. This model is also pretty fast. Skills added, what work need to do. So within a second you see that the skills got added. By the way guys, if you want me to make a video how to use this poolside Laguna access point to free model within a open claw, then please comment down below. I will make a separate video. This model really have the great agentic capability, and this model is pretty fast, which will be helpful for any kind of agentic task because their speed and efficiency and intelligence are required, and this model have all of that. So using this npm skill latest add mattpocock skills, um, what will happen that it will add all of the skills, but you need to add only one skill. You are interested to use only one skill. So what you can do, you can actually add that one skill specifically inside your code repository. So how you can add that? So this is the comment that I will give in description, and just let me paste it. So what I've done, npm skills add, and from this GitHub I am just adding this grill me skill. So instead of grill me, you just need to replace this grill me with the other skill. Let's say you want to add this caveman. So instead of grill me, you have to just write the caveman. So that's why I will keep this template in description. You can just copy paste there. Okay, now it will add that grill me. So do you want to proceed? Yes, proceed please. Okay, running. By the way guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. From this channel you will get many kind of videos, the latest innovations that are happening in AI and all of that. Here you see skills grill me installed, 54 agents added to the universal skill. Now after you added this new skill, remember one thing, that you need to close your current session. Otherwise Claude Code will not be able to detect that new skills that you added. Okay, so please close your current session, then again reopen the Claude Code, and after that if you just write skills/skills, and you will see this grill me inside this list. Here you see. Okay, now what I will do, that I will use this grill me skill, and inside my project here you see I have one footer section. So if I show you that project, here you see this is the footer section, and I want to make this footer section animate. And in my case it is very simple, but in your case, let's say you have a full stack website, and there you want to add any schema in your database, or you want to change any kind of models. So you can give your requirement to this grill me skills, and it will do that. Okay, but the process is simple, the same way you need to use the grill me skill. So what I have written in my current index.html, I have a footer section, and sorry, the spelling mistake, footer. Okay, I want to add advanced animation and use grill me skill and evaluate that. Now press enter. Now let's see what it is doing. Okay. By the way guys, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, so inside this channel you will get this kind of beautiful content. And here you see that it is reading file, and it is using this grill me skill and also caveman mode active, so that it consume the less token. And also here you see that it is running the grill me skill and successfully loaded this grill me skill. So what it is telling me, the grill me skill has started. It is now active, acting as the interviewer, and I am the user from its perspective, and I am actually the one providing plan. Wait, the grill me skill is the interviewer, and I will ask me question. So what happens that this grill me skill actually acts as an interviewer. Normally inside any of the coding agent, let's say Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, they have their built-in plan mode. Inside client also you will see that plan mode and act mode. But Matt Pocock is saying that don't use that built-in plan mode. Use my grill me skill, and it is better than the their coding, means all of the coding agents plan mode. This grill me skill is always better because it will act as the interviewer, and it will ask you some of the important question that is required, and also it is it will cover all of the edge cases, all of the test cases, and it will think all of that scenario. Okay, so what it is asking me, that let me try to call it with a start message, and guild station will start, and wait for the first try. Okay, now I will just write start, means it will start with some bunch of questions. And now here you see that what it is suggesting me, that organic background, use the SVG filter and this kind of some animation for the plasma, low opacity and slow drift. Now if I am happy with this, then what I can do, that I can actually ask it that please implement this, or please go ahead for this implementation, please go ahead uh, ahead for this implementation, or for this plan implementation. Okay. So this is a procedure to use these skills inside your any of the AI coding agent that you are using. And if you have found this detailed video explanation step by step procedure helpful, please don't forget to subscribe this channel to get this kind of content more. And also, if you have any kind of concept in your mind, just let me know in comment section. I will try to make the video on that topic if it is helpful for everyone. And all of the links are given in description, so please go there and check it and use it, and let me know that how much help you are getting from these mattpocock skills. Okay, so if you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe it, and please like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.